In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload screenshots to Imgur with Sharex. By the end, you'll be able to capture your screen, have Sharex upload the image automatically to Imgur, and get a shareable link in seconds, perfect for sending screenshots to friends, teammates, or posting online. First, make sure Sharex is installed and running on your computer. Sharex is a free, lightweight tool for capturing, editing, and sharing screenshots. It comes with sensible defaults, but we'll tweak a couple of settings so the upload happens automatically and goes straight to Imgur. Start by taking a screenshot. Press your screenshot hotkey. By default, that's Ctrl plus print screen. Your screen will dim and the Sharex capture tool will appear, letting you draw a box around exactly what you want to capture. Click and drag to select the region, then release to take the shot. If you'd rather grab the entire screen or a specific window, you can choose those capture modes from the Sharex tray icon or the main window. But region capture is the most flexible. If you make a mistake, press Escape to cancel and try again. Next, tell Sharex to upload automatically after every capture. Open the main Sharex window. On the left sidebar, find After Capture Tasks. Click it and enable Upload Image to Host so it's checked. This setting makes Sharex send your screenshot to your chosen image host immediately after you capture it, saving you from manual uploads. If you also want Sharex to copy the link for you right after the upload finishes, check the After Upload Tasks section and ensure Copy URL to Clipboard is enabled. Now set Imgur as the upload destination. At the top of the Sharex window, go to Destinations, then choose Image Uploader. From the list, select Imgur. That's it. Imgur is now your default host. You don't need an account for basic, anonymous uploads, but if you prefer to manage your images later, you can connect an Imgur account in Sharex settings. Let's test it. Take another quick screenshot with your hotkey. After you select the region, Sharex will upload the image to Imgur automatically. You should see a notification when it's done, and the link will be copied to your clipboard if you turn that on. Paste it into a browser, chat, or document to share instantly. Keep in mind that Imgur links are unlisted but accessible to anyone with the link, so avoid uploading sensitive content. That's all you need to streamline your screenshots with Sharex and Imgur. Customize hotkeys to your preference, and you'll be sharing visuals in no time. Thanks for watching.